What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Guys, we finally got some parts in for the Midnight Purple R33 Vspec from PRP Canada. And let's see what we got. Already got the box open, make it a little bit easier. Sweet. Keychain. This is the R35 coil pack new bracket because we're upgrading the coil pack. This will be going on the cam gears for the built engine that we need to get to the machine shop. Got some license plate adapters because it doesn't fit a US license plate. There's the bottom of the coil packs. Here's the harness for the new coil packs. Jazz up that engine bay a little bit. Radiator tie downs. More stickers. Probably 20 extra horsepower coming from Australia. And this is going to go on a built motor too. And this is the coolant head drain. And this is the oil pump tool. Cast bracket. And then here's the new trigger kit. New gear and everything. But alright guys, that's the new parts that we got in. I'm probably going to go ahead and throw the R35 coils on it and the new bracket, and then the other ones will be going on a built motor that I have at the machine shop that we're going to be doing forged pistons, rods, bearings, all the good stuff. But the cam gears and all that's going to go on that. We're going to get upgraded cams. So just more to come to the channel. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But let's jump into putting these R35 coil packs on. Alright guys, and I also got my new set of valve covers in from the powder coater, and then new set of valve cover gaskets. So we're going to go ahead and throw these bad Johnnies on here. Alright guys, we got to remove this, and this actually controls your timing. So we got it marked. And it's 3 bolts, one under here, these 2, and this plug, and that'll come off. Then this cover has a few bolts in it, and then a few bolts down the center, and then we got to take those off. And then if your center's on here, this igniter is in there too. Well guys, got a surprise. It's already got HKS cam gears.
I wonder if it has HKS cams.
That's what I'm wondering too. Because it does make power.
Let's not get too excited.
Time to make some power, boys.
Maybe we should have put a scope down in the spark plug hole.
Right. What if it's got forged pistons? I guess it ain't too late. We can still do that. Well. Anyways, the valve cover's getting replaced. Dang. Straight from Japan, guys. That's crazy. Alright guys, we removed this pipe just to get out where you can see the backside valve cover bolts.
left me here pick up the phone. I'm not your enemy, so what do you want from me?
Alright guys, we got the front cover off. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and remove the strut bar, just that way when we put the new covers in there, we don't have to worry about think you're going to need a stronger gun. We don't have to worry about scratching them. You do have to remove the 3 bolts from this to be able to get to the valve cover. Bolts. But it's awesome that we did find some HKS timing gears. Or cam gears in a HKS belt. Alright, got the valve covers off. I think those are stock cams. Alright guys, and they got these little washers on them. So we gotta take all those off. Alright guys, also grabbed these from PRP to replace these. So we're gonna throw those on too. Time out with the old, in with the new. What? How come this doesn't work in real life? Alright guys, got them on. Looks a lot better. You do have to put silicone right there and right there, and then replace those 2 in the back. And then it's almost time for the new valve covers.
High octane baffle kit.
Alright, we're upgrading the baffle kit in them too. Alright guys, while Adrian's buttoning up the new valve cover, we're going to install the boots on the R35 coil packs and be installing that bracket too from PRP. So let's get to it. Alright, this is what it's going to look like when you get it all bolted up. And I would leave this one loose and this one loose so you can get to the bolts. Alright, let's go get it on the car. Updates on Adrian's coming soon. And then the PRP wiring harness.
Two clicks.
2 clicks. Alright guys, look at that. Oh, I'm in love and I don't care who knows.
I'm in love and I don't care who knows it.
It's so bright.
Can you even see the flake in there?
Not really. I'm gonna see if I can. Let's see if we can tone her down a little bit. Yeah, it just blows it out. Alright guys, we got it all finished up. Whenever it gets nice out, I'm actually going to take it outside so you can. The intake's not just white, it's actually like pearl with a, it's got like a flip-flop flake in it that goes blue and purple. But it looks really good. Heck,
I mean, you can already tell how much it brightens up the engine bay. But we got it all back together. Only thing I have to get is some dash 12 90s for these hoses until get Josh to make me a catch can. Probably set it off in this area. But the car's coming together, guys. Man, it looks good. It looks good. But y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We got more coming, and you've seen the other parts in the front of this video that we got on here. And the R35 coil packs look sweet on there with that purple bracket. But yeah, that looks really good. Alright guys, thank y'all for joining us today and swapping out the valve covers. If y'all need any help with swapping your valve covers, just drop a comment below and we'll try to navigate you through it. Pretty easy job. It wasn't too bad. Some bolts are hard to get to, but you'll find that on any application. But guys, we got a lot more planned for the GT-R. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.
You left me here alone. You don't pick up the phone. I'm not your enemy. So what do you want from me? Say what you gotta. It really don't matter. It really don't matter to me.